na po namin po. That's why I beg to disagree that nakalimit po sa amin. Pinanap ko po ma'am. Because I was given the information that there's a Cebu, possible shipment of Cebu na galing sa China. And the information was given to us. So I gave instruction to the intelligence institute to give them the information and they will submit. So that is how this came in. At nahanap po namin ma'am, I think yung sinasabi na Sultan, yes, I take the responsibility since 2017. But if you read the Customs Modernization and Tariff Act, there's a clear
Kaya kamu-tamo.
asking for permission in the customs.
Ilinitin ko
In
yan.
that law, it's very specific that only the collector has the right to release the information. On the 38 ports, it is impossible for the commissioner to check every shipment. That's why it is delineated to them by the law. The verification and authority to release all the shipments does not rely on the commissioner anymore. It is now on the individual subcontractor. So, but when I received the information that there is a possible importation of Cebu that passed through customs, it took us 4 hours to locate that. And I want to take that as something that I did was contrary to the perception that I let it go. I did not let it go, Your Honor.
Commissioner Faeldon, let me complete the context of my question. With this representation, make use of the term nalusutan. Nahuli niyo yung Cebu, pero hindi niyo nahuli yung importer.
No, unat ka muna. Unas. Unas ka muna. Unas.